You're hired. Congrats. Now sign here, and remember, your next paycheck might be your last. That's not drama. That's life for America's deadliest workers, loggers. Not soldiers. Not cops. Loggers. While most people complain about traffic, somewhere in Oregon or West Virginia, a man stands under a 150-foot tree, chainsaw roaring, making a call that could mean life, or a body bag. For $24 an hour. This isn't Hollywood, it's real. Last year, 111 out of every 100,000 loggers died on the job. 11 times deadlier than construction. 8 times deadlier than policing. Most never saw it coming, 3 seconds from life to silence. Rick, a veteran with 22 years in the woods, lost 2 friends in one season. One killed by a falling widowmaker branch. The other, his tree split and fired a shard of wood through his chest. Rick said the worst part wasn't the blood, it was the radio going quiet. Now picture this: steep slopes, fog, 30 pounds of gear, mud so slick it swallows boots, and 20 tons of machinery that can roll at any second. No cell signal. No backup. If something goes wrong, you're not calling 911, you're hoping your crew sees it. So why do they keep doing it? Not for fame. Not for fortune. Because it's in their blood. Their fathers and grandfathers did it. They love the smell of cedar, the rhythm of the saw, the quiet that feels like church. One told me, out here, I'm not a number. I'm the guy who brings the wood home. He's right, your floors, your walls, your boxes, all started with someone standing in the mud, gambling with gravity. But the forest doesn't care how good you are. Experience won't stop a falling branch. Luck runs out. In 2025, Jake, 29 years old, took his first solo shift. Did everything right, but the tree had a hidden cavity. It collapsed inward, crushed him before he could step back. Still holding the chainsaw. Still breathing. Then nothing. And yet, every morning, they return rain, snow, or fire. Because someone's got to do it. Because America runs on wood. Because under the canopy, they feel more alive than most of us ever will. So yeah, you're hired. But your life? That's not part of the deal. If you respect the people who risk everything to keep our world built, hit that like button and subscribe. Next time, we're diving into another job where the pay is high, but the price could be your life. Stay sharp. Stay grateful. And never take your next breath for granted.